Hi everyone, greetings of the days. This time I will provide a tutorial how to make a sequential work schedule and S-curve by using Excel application. As an example, this time is a wavelength construction schedule in the oil and gas field. This tutorial is especially devoted to students or beginners who wish to explore this field, perhaps or others that may utilize it as a reference. Please pay attention to my following description. Suppose this time we have to compile a wavelength work start schedule for 70 calendar days or 3 months or 3 weeks. Or 11 weeks. This starting from February till April. Okay, and then for 11 weeks and 70 calendar days. I have divided the states into two worksheets. First is a worksheet. Okay, we back to this worksheet. The worksheet that contains how to determine the wake factor generated from the contract price here, and the schedule start and finish. Okay, here start and finish for each work item itself. Second is a wavelength work schedule and S-curve. We have arranged sequentially according to the pipeline work step. Yes, you could check here starting from site preparation, survey and topography, pipe alignment, welding and inspection until pre-commissioning. Okay, begin to this worksheet to check the total contract. Okay, the total contract for this work is 2,997,077,685 rupees. The total contract are spread over into 31 work items. Yes, starting from 1, I already added a number to make it easy until 31. Okay, we specify as per direct work only, but we still take into account the price of indirect work and distribute it in its total direct work price as in social cost. Yes, social cost and security line by the total 108,750,000 rupees. Okay, then we divide this amount by the total 31 direct work item. You could see in the cell. Okay, then we get a total of 3,580,065 rupees. Okay, the amount in the cell M86 here. Yes, M86. We add in each number of direct work item prices. Okay, this one we already added with the total in cell 86, M86, and then this one same also. Okay, then we determine the wake factor. Okay, the wake factor for each direct work. So the way the total price of each direct work item divide by the total contract prices, then multiply by 100. Okay, you could check in the cell the formula, same here. Okay, then we obtain wake factor for direct work item. We determine the schedule for each. Sorry. Okay, sorry. This one. We determine the schedule for each direct work, start and finish. Yes. So we know the total day schedule for direct work item like this. Yes. Furthermore, we divide the total days for each direct work item by the work factor as a contract so that we get a new work factor that combines the work schedule and the contract price. Okay, here, okay. The combination work factor, this combination work factor, we allocate to the work schedule according to the start and finish of each direct work. Now we back again to work schedule and S-curve. Now we create schedule line here. Sorry, we create schedule line, and we draw the schedule line as per schedule that state in this section, in this worksheet. Okay, for example, work direct up item for land clearing starting from 2 March 2019 until 20 March 2019. Okay. Then we insert the work factor combination into each cell along the schedule line of its direct work. Okay, this one I already formulate by refer to the other worksheet. Okay. Then we formulate the progress plan here. Yes, we could check in the cell. Yes, the cell is accumulate of the about weight factor that we determine for each cell. Okay, this one. Yes, okay. Then accumulative progress plan. Yes. Then we get the number of work factor from the direct work item and the actual progress achieved. Yes, this one, progress actual, and yes, that we achieve later on, and is accumulative. Sorry. Okay, and the variance we found. Okay, the variance we found between the actual and the planned progress. Next, we create the S-curve. Yes, we create the S-curve. We create the S-curve. Sorry, this one. We create the S-curve. The S-curve line refers to the respective data series. Yes. Okay. Okay, data series here. Yes. When you click each line, will show where the data series you refer. Okay. So here is the 5 lane work schedule and S-curve. Since all the section in this template have a built-in formula, you just have to check each cell and follow the instruction in it. Thus, this short video, hopefully it shall be useful for those in related field is done to carry out their duties and responsibility. Kindly subscribe and like this video. Thank you for your appreciation on this video. Thanks for watching. Keep contact and stay connected.